Hello from the forest, from Darmstadt. In the last video I already mentioned that I will spend a few days in my hometown. The days in my hometown are actually always pretty chill. I go on a lot of walks because I just love being in the forest. It's just something totally different than being in a park in Berlin, which is full of other people. Here I barely see anyone else, and that's so nice. The bad thing when you live close to a city like Frankfurt with a big airport is that you always have this noise. The weather today is a bit crazy, so this morning when I was in the gym, suddenly there was snow. And I was already very happy because I thought, oh, there is snow and maybe then everything will be white and beautiful, but a few minutes later it turned into rain and now there is sunshine. Yeah, and I hope it won't rain again because, like always, I don't have an umbrella with me. So to all the people who left their hometown, do you still have a lot of friends there? Because I don't really have a lot of people here which I would like to meet when I come visit my mom. Even though I also studied in Mainz, which is not far away, I'm also not able to keep in touch with too many people. The ones I'm still in touch with, I think they also moved somewhere else. I just don't have this big friend group anymore, which sometimes makes me sad. And sometimes I wish I had this in Berlin, but I don't know, friendship is a topic I'm thinking a lot about because I feel the older I get, the harder it becomes to find new friends. Probably because you don't have as much time as you had as a child or a student. But I think there are also other reasons. So one reason is maybe that you get more and more selective, or you get more boundaries and you really feel that you have to vibe with people so that you really want to build this friendship. And also I think it has a lot to do with self-worth. As a child I was super confident, maybe a little too confident. Also I was very outgoing, very present, and I love to be around people. But now that I'm older, to be honest, I became more and more insecure. I think it really affects social interactions. I don't feel that comfortable with meeting new people anymore because meeting new people now... where am I going? Because now meeting new people is also kind of stressful because I always wonder, do they like me? Did I say something stupid? Do I look nice in my outfit? And things like that. It's so hard to go in a social situation and just be myself. And I'm pretty sure that I'm not the only person who feels this way. Especially nowadays where you always see like perfect people, perfect friendships on TV, on social media. I don't know, it just makes you question yourself so much. And that's so sad. As you can see, I really like deep talk, but on my German channel I also make videos where I'm just talking about things. But to be honest, I don't feel confident enough to make a whole long form video in English where I'm just talking. Maybe in the future. Den Dreck sieht man gar nicht. Und Dobby ist cool.
Wenn ich hinter auf die Fresse fliegen will.
Einmal Avocado fritten haben. Usually I don't really talk about dating in my vlogs because most of the time my dating experience is quite frustrating. But now I have good news. I just met someone here in my hometown. We met on Hinge. After texting a bit, we had our first date on Valentine's Day. Super cute, I know. He even brought me a little rose, I was a bit speechless because I can't remember someone giving me a rose, like, ever. Or at least not for a very, very long time. Yeah, we went to a bar and we talked a lot, and when we were waiting for our trains home, he was telling me, hey, I would like to see you again tomorrow. And again, I was a bit speechless. Often you leave a date and then you have no clue what's going on. And he was just so direct. And yeah, I agreed, and so we had our second date one day later. And now we even had our third date within 1 week. And also on the days where we don't see each other, we are texting a lot. And yeah, on the third date, he also brought me a little present. It was something I told him that I liked. So actually, he listens to what I'm saying and he remembers. Yeah, and we are already holding hands in public, which is something I also never did with guys I was dating for quite a short time. One thing I'm really surprised and happy about, that it's fine for me. I really enjoy it because usually when guys are very nice and show me their interest, I would be gone. I'm totally honest. I also have my issues with commitment, but I'm working on myself. I went to therapy and everything, and now is a point where I really feel like it shows off. So all the work is actually worth it. And that's one point why I wanted to tell you about this. Just to show you, you don't have to stay in these patterns forever. So I always think it's sad when people say like, oh, that's just how I am, I cannot change it, because I just think that's wrong. Of course, after a week of dating, nobody knows where it leads, if it will be a relationship or not. But at this point, I'm just so grateful just for this dating experience, because now I can believe in dating again and believe in other people treating me well. And that's the other point why I wanted to tell you this story, because I know nowadays a lot of people are so frustrated because of dating, and I just wanted to tell you there is still hope. Today my mom and I will go to a spa/pool thing here in Darmstadt, just to relax a bit and go to the sauna. I know people think Germans love to be naked, and I think some Germans really do. I don't. I don't like being naked in front of other people, and I also don't like seeing other people naked. But I try to work on this, because actually being naked is the most natural thing in the world. So I will go to the sauna, but I will wrap a towel around myself. And yeah, also maybe go for a little swim and just relax a bit.